How to reset a password in Nano Banana. To reset your Nano password, start by opening the website or app. Once you open the website, now look at the top right corner of the screen where you can see this option for sign in. Click on sign in. After you click on sign in, you will be able to see this option for click on forget password link, which is usually located below the password field. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. After entering an email, click Submit or Send link. Check your email box for a message from Nanobanana.AI. Open the email and click on Password Reset link provided. This link will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong by including uppercase and lowercase letters. After entering a new password and confirming it, submit the form and your password will be updated. You can now log in with your new credentials. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna reset a password in Nano Banana website. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.